let there be light.
Hello guys! Yes, another back vlogs. May nagtanong na naman kasi. This is Jessie Ketz. Welcome to my channel. And I'm inviting you to see the view from my window.
Hi guys, gulo-gulo na ang hair look. Katapos lang namin mag-money exchange. Medyo matagal siya kasi mag-isa lang si Kuya. And now, we're looking for a way. Ayan. Sa aming transportation. Siyempre, nakikita niyo si Joanna kasi yan pa ang aming model. Kahit itaas kong ganyan, nakikita niyo pa rin si Joanna. Ayan.
Laking harang eh.
Okay lang yan, Ben. So, we're looking for the best way for us to go to our city. It's either to go by MRT, Uber or by taxi, but we will slash the taxi kasi parang medyo pricey. Ito po si Madam Wi-Fi, siya po ang naghahawak ng aming Wi-Fi connection. Okay, later. Ito po ang aming transport. Okay daw? Ayan. O, yung mga bag nyo doon. Hi, madam na madam ka dyan, be. Wow! In fairness, oh, dyan ka sa unahan, wa. Uy! No, no. Okay, go inside. Let there be light. Tumingin daw kayo dito. Yeah.
And yes! We made it to the hotel. Ito na po kami.
May fountain. Ito po. Fountain. May flower. Ang tawag bonsai. Tapos, halika tingnan natin yung reception. Oh, ayan. Ito ang reception. For 2 days. Yes, the reception. Welcome to Taipei. How much Indomar? Indomar, Elamar. Yes. Ayan. Ito po si Madam. Ayan.
Again guys, this is a back vlog, kaya ayan. Kasi may nagtanong nga, dalawa sila, ang dami, diba? Well, ayan ang aming room tour when we went to Taipei with the girls, of course, with my girls, with my special ladies, o diba? Ayan. Siyempre, it's better to travel in a group para siyempre tipid yung mga mommies like us. Diba? We need to de-stress ba ang tawag doon? Oo, para mawala yung aming stress. We need to also fly. O, ayan, may dalawa pong bed, big bed. I think it's queen bed. And ito ang kanilang bathroom, guys. Ayan, pag nakita ko ang liwanag. Hello, looking for the switch ako, guys. Ayan, I'm looking for the switch and wait for it. Tanan! Wala pa din. Ang bagal. Let there be light. Tanan! O, diba? Well, may pa-jacuzzi. O, diba? Yan, yung kanilang bathtub slash jacuzzi, Japanese style, diba? Yan, may shower area dito. Ayan, ang lola nyo. Ayan, ang door. Ito yung mga, ayan, door. Alam na nila door. And then, ayan, yung mga may pa-coffee, may pa-water. 4 lang kasi nga may LMR. Mag-order na lang kami. Anyway, everyday naman nila nire-refill yan. And, ayan, the mini fridge, may pa-coffee. Ayan, fairness naman. O, ayan, may mga patsaa, may TV, may mga desk pa dito. Tapos, maayos naman yung bed namin, malambot naman, at saka malinis naman siya. So, ayan, ginulo-gulo na namin. Ayan. Dito kami ni Joanna sa kabilang side. Yung tatlo doon kasi mga sexy.
Morning! From Chief Taipei!
Busy.
Na-busy ayun na.
Go,
Go. Bring home the milk tea! Ayan o. Yan na kami guys. We woke up like this actually. Joke! Hindi be. Ganito na lang kasi maaga ang sundo ni Kuya.
So it's all natural.
Yeah, this is all natural. Especially my frislock. Ayan o. What's our OOTD guys? Ito ang aming OOTD. Can you see the headbands?
Yes.
Oh, hindi pa siya nakamit. Ayan, di ba maganda naman yung face lock mo, Lola? And what else? What is our itinerary, Miss Itinerary Girl?
Today we're going to Taichung and Holy Flower Thing.
Oh, hello, Flower. We have our own chauffeur drive. Joke! Titingnan namin guys kung maganda yung tour and then we will tell you if we will give our recommendation. This is our tipid trip. Yun. And I will show you our view. Ito ang aming views guys. It's a park over there. I can't see Guangdong Park or something. Pero kung makikita nyo guys, dun may blue sa thingy. May swimming pool sa loob ng park. Ganda. Yan ang aming hotel view. So have a good morning. Later.
We tried din pala yung breakfast buffet nila. Dami guys. Ang dami ng pagkain. Meron rin from cereal, salad, coffee, andyan siya lahat. Ang sarap ng breakfast guys. Pasok sa mga taste bud or sa taste bud natin mga Filipino. Ayan, Asian food of course. Mawawala ba yun? Tapos may pa-American food din sila. O, ayan. Ayan, diba? Ang yummy. Busog na busog kami, guys. Of course, may rice. Ayan yung mga sweets nila sa ibabaw. Mamimili ka yung breads. Ayan. And guess what? Look. Ang yummy. Diba? Ang sarap niyan, guys. Iba-ibang flavor. Ayan. Tas may juice din. Pwede ka mag-toast. Ayan. French fries.
Only coffee.
Diba? And plus, merong unlimited coffee.
Ayan Ayan ang CR dito sa lobby.
Wala dun sa bagay niya.
Ang dami. Nandun yung pinaka... Hi guys! Grabe. I love this hotel kasi meron silang unlimited coffee.
Yes.
Ayan, this is my unlimited coffee, guys.
Americano?
Hi guys! May sasabihin po si Joe.
Ano you want to do for them? Shout out po.
Ay, ang sabi niya. Ano? Sabi ka?
Wala.
Yan pa ang aming Japanese mangay. Ito ang aming
Korean.
pure Filipino nga to.
Oh yes.
Pure Filipino.
Pure Asian.
Pakita mo ang dalagang Pilipina.
Sexy card.
Yes, dalagang Pilipina.
It's you, yeah. Yes, guys, this is the Beauty Boutique Hotel in Taipei. Diba? Matching sa aming outfitan. We love everything about the hotel. Location, close to everywhere, including coffee shop. We have gym on site also. Cleanliness of the hotel. The room is a mixture of modern Taiwanese design and Japanese toilet and jacuzzi. Friendly and helpful. All the staff.
And thank you guys for watching.
And remember to always be a blessing to others. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you will know if I will have new upload. Follow me also on all my social medias and let's be friends. Later.